The top 5 facts why a plant-based diet is good against lifestyle diseases. 1. Lower risk of heart disease. A meta-analysis of 45 studies found that a vegetarian or vegan diet was associated with a 25% lower risk of dying from heart disease, compared to a non-vegetarian diet. Source: Journal of the American College of Cardiology, 2019. 2. Reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. A study of more than 200,000 participants found that a higher intake of plant-based foods was associated with a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Source: PLOS Medicine, 2016. 3. Lower risk of certain cancers. A review of 96 studies found that a higher intake of fruits and vegetables was associated with a reduced risk of various types of cancer, including breast, lung, and colon cancer. Source: American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2003. 4. Improved digestive health. A study of over 11,000 participants found that a vegetarian diet was associated with a lower risk of diverticular disease, a condition that affects the digestive tract. Source: Gut, 2011. 5. Weight management. A systematic review of 12 randomized controlled trials found that a plant-based diet was more effective for weight loss than a non-vegetarian diet. Source: Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, 2015. At Synon Biotech, we understand plant protein chemistry, functionality and texturization technology with practical experience and expertise in the human and pet food applications. If you wish to develop meat analogs with plant proteins, talk to us. We shall help you on the choice of functional proteins, formulation and validation strategies to deliver an authentic muscle-like product for human and pet food diets. Contact us today.